وَلَيَنصُرَنَّ اللَّهُ مَن يَنصُرُهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَقَوِيٌّ عَزِيزٌ.
The world remembers conquerors, but forgets the children they once were.
Ya Allah.
They thought I was just a boy, but that night I became more.
You're not walking in his footsteps. You're forging your own. Let them remember both. They keep waiting for him. But maybe he's already here.
They told us to stay silent, but silence never saved the oppressed. They call this rubble. We call it a beginning. If not now, then when? If not you, then who? We are not the next victims. We are the next Salahuddin. And this time, we are not alone.
غريب